Hello everyone, my name is Sadia Sheikh. Today I am solving one problem of engineering mechanics depend on the first chapter, that is resolution of forces. Then this is a question. The following forces are acting at a point 20 Newton inclined at 30 degree towards north of east. That means 20 Newton, its magnitude is 20 Newton and inclined 30 degree towards north of east. Means 20 Newton, then 20 Newton towards north of east. This is north and east. That means 30 degree. The angle is given 30 degree from east. North of east, that means north of east 30 degree from horizontal axis. Then next angle is 25 Newton towards north. That means the force is acting on the north line, that is 25 Newton. Then third is 30 Newton towards north of west. Third is 30 Newton towards north of west. That means this is west and this is north. 30 Newton, it is a magnitude of this force, and north of the angle is does not shown here, therefore it goes from center origin. The angle is 45 degree from negative horizontal axis. Then fourth is 35 Newton inclined at 40 degree towards south of west. This is south and this is west. The angle is given 40 degree south of west. That means 40 degree from negative horizontal axis, and its magnitude is 35 Newton. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. Then we will solve one by one. First we will resolve all forces. Then first force is 20 Newton. Its horizontal component is plus 20 cos 30. Plus is because of the magnitude of 20 Newton moves towards the positive axis. Therefore it's become positive. Then its vertical component is 20 sin 30 because the vertical component is upward direction. The sign convention of all vertical forces are upward is positive and downward is negative. Then second force is 25 Newton at north. Then its horizontal component Fx is become 0 because the magnitude is parallel to y-axis. Therefore its horizontal component becomes 0 and vertical component is plus 25 because the force is acting upward direction. Then third force is 30 Newton towards north of west at 45 degree. This is a 45 degree. Its horizontal component is minus 30 cos 45. Minus sign is because of the force is acting towards left. The sign convention of horizontal forces is towards positive and towards left negative. Therefore it's become minus 30 cos 45, and its vertical force is plus 35 sin plus 30 sin 45 because of the vertical component is in upward direction, acting in upward direction. Therefore it's plus 30. Then next force is 35 Newton towards south of west, and angle is 40 degree. Therefore its horizontal component is minus 35 cos 45 cos 40 because of the minus sign is because the forces is acting away from the towards left. The sign convention of horizontal component is towards right positive and towards left negative. Therefore it become minus 35 cos 40. then its a vertical component is minus 35 sine 40, because of the vertical component is acting in downward direction. Therefore its vertical component upward is positive and downward is negative. It acting in downward direction, therefore it become minus 35 sine 40. We resolve all forces. Then we will see next. We will resolve all forces horizontally. The sign convention of a horizontal is towards right positive and towards left negative. Therefore we will resolve all horizontal forces. First is plus 20 cos 30 plus then fx is 0. Then second force have fx is 0, therefore plus 0, and this is minus 30 cos 45, minus 30 cos 45. Then fourth is minus 35 cos 40. Its horizontal component is minus 35 cos 40. Addition of these forces is minus 30.70 Newton. The summation fx equal to minus 30.70 Newton. Summation fx means all forces horizontally. Then we will resolve all forces vertically. Its vertical component is plus 20 sine 30. Then summation fy equal to plus 30 sine 30. Then next is summation fy equal to plus 25. Then third force is plus 30 sine 45, adding plus 30 sine 45. Then last force is minus 35 sine 40, therefore summation fy become 33.70, and this is minus and this is plus. Then we will take magnitude of resultant force, that is denoted by R. The formula of R is under root summation fx square plus summation fy square. Put the value of summation fx square is minus 30.70 bracket square plus 33.70 bracket square. The R is 45.60. Then next is direction of resultant force. Direction of resultant force is denoted by theta. The formula of this theta equal to tan inverse summation fy by summation fx. Put the value of summation fy and fx in equation. Theta equal to tan inverse summation fy is 33.70 and summation fx is minus 30.70. In mod, the all sign becomes positive. Then theta becomes 47.70 degree. Then last step is position of the resultant force. It is depend on the answer of summation fx and summation fy. If the summation fx is positive and summation fy is also positive, then its position in first quadrant. If summation fx is negative and summation fy is positive, its position in second quadrant. If summation fy and fx both are negative, its position becomes on third quadrant. If this is plus plus, this is minus plus, this is minus minus, this is plus minus. In fourth quadrant, summation fx is positive and summation fy is negative. It's become on fourth quadrant. But in case the summation fx is negative and summation fy is positive, therefore it becomes in second quadrant. As summation fx is negative and summation fy is positive, resultant force lies in second quadrant. As shown in figure, we will show. Draw second quadrant first. Then the angle is 47.70. The value of theta, put the value of theta is 47.70. Then its resultant is 45.60. The value of this is we discussed all method to solve this question. Thank you.